So if you're using Hostinger website builder and you want to make your website show the desktop view on mobile devices instead of the usual mobile friendly version, here's what you need to do. So also, you may have this question or why, first of all, disable mobile view. Usually, websites automatically switch to a mobile friendly view when accessed on a smartphone or a tablet. This is designed to make the site easier to use on a smaller screens, but in some cases, you might want your website to look exactly the same on a phone as it does on a desktop. Maybe your design looks better that way, or maybe the mobile version doesn't fit your style, whatever the reason. Now let me show you what you need to do. So you'll need to copy a small piece of code and then you're gonna this piece of code will trick mobile device into showing the desktop version by shrinking the width of the screen down. And to add this code to your website, you're gonna have to go to website settings. So I'm gonna first select this website from here in websites. And what I'm gonna have to do now is to go to find integrations. To find integrations on your website, you're gonna need to go to more settings here, and you're gonna see integrations. Click on integrations, and here you're gonna see custom custom code. Now just paste this code here, and then save changes. And now make sure you update website. And something important to remember, something that I've tried, you won't be able to actually see these changes when you're previewing the website from your computer using tools like browser developer tools. It only works when you actually open your site from a real mobile device. Um, if you do it right, your website will look the same on phones as it does on a desktop computer. So yeah, this trick it's pretty useful if your site is designed in a way that doesn't translate well to mobile. But remember, it could also make the site harder to navigate on smaller screens. So yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe for more if you found this helpful. I really appreciate it.